Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Second lecture of unit number 1, organ system in human beings. Food and health. If you take more food than of your requirement, so it will be stored in your body in the form of fats, and you will be overweight, and this overweight condition is called obesity. And if you take more animal fats, so inside the animal fat there are cholesterol. So more fats and cholesterol, they stuck and store inside the blood vessels, and the blood vessel become narrow and narrow. So there will be a hurdle of blood flow inside these blood vessels, and it may cause heart attack and also increase blood pressure, and that is called high blood pressure. High blood pressure is also called hypertension. So in this case you will avoid the salt, because more of the salt in your diet, it can also cause high blood pressure. More sweet, if you use more sugar in your diet like chocolate, etc., so it can also cause tooth decay, as you can see here in this diagram. The next date is dietary fibers. It is also called refuges. So what are dietary fibers? Simply the fibers. These are bran of cereal, skin of fruit and vegetable, which are indigestible material, that is called cellulose. So refuges are fiber. It is these are undigestible, but it should be included in diet. You can see some of the vegetable and fruits, they are rich in fiber. So fiber should be included in diet because of these reasons. The first one, to avoid obesity. It helps to avoid obesity by adding indigestible matter, that is fiber, to the food. This satisfies your appetite but cannot make you fatty or obese. The second reason, that it absorbs poisonous waste from the food that is being digested in the intestine or gut. The next reason, that high fiber food have more bulk, which allow the intestine muscle to grip and move the food along the gut. If your diet is low fiber, then it may cause constipation, heart diseases, diabetes, and even cancer. There are some disorder of the digestive system. The first one is indigestion. Indigestion, it is a disorder of digestive system in which the food is not properly digested. The causes, it may be due to more gastric juice secretion inside the stomach, or not eat regularly or eat more quickly, poor eating habit of like and dislike, no proper amount of fiber in the diet. What are the symptoms of indigestion? Burning in the stomach, you can see here, stomach pain, diarrhea, and constipation. Constipation when there are low fiber in your diet, so it will cause constipation as well as indigestion. Treatment include fibrous food in the diet, good eating habit, and in severe condition, medicine are suggested by physician, that is called laxatives, painkiller in the case of stomach pain. And avoid solid food like egg and meat, which stay for more time in the stomach. The next date is stomach ulcer. Stomach ulcer, it is a painful sore you can see here, this is the stomach, so these are the sore. They develop in the lining of the stomach due to the excess of gastric juice secretion. So in the juices there are acid and pepsin enzyme. So if these are secreted in excess amount, so this can cause the stomach ulcer. The causes of the stomach ulcer, that is cigarette smoke, more spicy food and fast food, bacterial infection. It can also caused by bacteria. Treatment and prevention, so avoid cigarette smoke in adult person, uh, avoid spicy and fast food. In the case of if this is a bacterial infection, so antibiotic are suggested by physician, and there are also some medicine which protect the wall of the stomach, that is also suggested by physician. So this was the end of lecture number 2 of unit 2. Thank you.